Nintendo. I don't need it.
Bravo, L-Town, baby. Someone need to sign my dog. About ripping it.
Every time I grab the microphone and says it's on fire, I ain't no rookie till they rap until I never retire. Till I expire on the block, I'ma rock the souls. As long as they keep coming my way, I'm gonna cop the hole. Shitting lyrics on the beat like it's a fucking commode and dropping bombs on the street that hit your head and explode. So you know, they cold as cracker said that boy Bravo. So low, your pistol missed it cause they itching to get your bitch in the bottle. Talk it out and only bring them stitching quicker. We sicker than average crackers. See half of a fucking chicken. Baffles me how they spitting this rapping like they the shit till it's sticking. And look around and half of them missing. Now how to do it and how they does it and how it's going. Cause I'm fucked up on Bud Light and all of y'all was knowing. And we get it how we freestyle like every fucking day. We off the east side player and you know that we don't play around from north to south and everybody around and everybody asking where they from. We from the town and we gon' get it XS3 as long as they gon' fucking give it to us. Bitch, you ain't coming around and bitch and they gon' spit it to us. Yeah, you can spit it back, but bitch, I'ma spit it to you. And if you don't like it, boy, you can get it too then. And if you like it, I got my fucking pistol I bought. This bitch is saying it's coming to fucking itchy. And if I'm gon' have a scratch, then you gon' get it. And if you got money, you fuck.